The Carpathian mountain range spans 209,000 square kilometres in a great arc across Central and Eastern Europe. Cradled beneath its jagged peaks and hidden among trackless miles of forest, is perhaps the world's only surviving medieval landscape. Formed at the same time as the Alps, much of this great range straddles the area of modern-day Romania known as Transylvania. It's a place of myth and legend, a land where the distant howl of the wolf still chills the night air, where bears sharpen their claws on towering pines and lynx prowl ghost-like among the sullen crags.
Carpathia is truly vast. Almost the same size as Britain, it constitutes the largest tract of unfragmented forest left in Central Europe, and is home to the world's greatest concentration of brown bears and 45% of Europe's big carnivores. Their presence helps to preserve one of our most abundant ecosystems.
I'll be travelling to the very heart of this breathtaking region in an attempt to uncover the history, the culture and the wildlife of what is Europe's last untamed wilderness.
My journey will take me through the foothills, where ancient villages survive practically unchanged, despite Romania's stampede towards modernisation. I'll be exploring the forests and mountains beyond, as we go in search of the European brown bear, and find out why this elusive species is so vital to the survival of the environment. On my way, I'll be meeting a dedicated group of individuals, whose passion for this area is helping to redefine its importance as one of the great surviving wonders of the natural world. These include a Transylvanian count who is working to conserve some of the most ancient of Carpathia's medieval villages, and His Royal Highness Prince Charles, who can trace his ancestry back to Romania's dark and distant past.
The genealogy shows that I'm descended from Vlad the Impaler, you see. So I do have a bit of a stake in the country.
As it were.